Greetings everyone, it's 8:30 and man, the market is, I would say it's tough this morning. But there's a chance that even though trend has been going up, and you can tell here it tried reaching this, went down, if it crosses this previous low, I will go on a trade, a sell trade. But then if you look at the support and resistance line, we have this here. Let's see how it does. Is it going to cross this line? If it does, I'm in. I love using lines in order to let's see. Okay. I would prefer it cross all those simple moving average before risking a trade up, a buy trade. At 8, there was this sudden movement of, let's see, 92, 3 points. You can tell the market, this is a solid stop and it's not breaking it. There's a chance it will go down, but then it's not breaking this. For me to go on a trade right now, it would need to break those. We look at this pattern. It suggests, this pattern somewhat suggests that there's going to be a trade up. But then I would prefer, for a trade up, I would prefer to have this line being broken. I'm going to put it green. I'm very visual, so I need the visual reminders. We want this line to be broken. If this survives, let's see. Again, Oro is risking. On the 400 chart, 400 ticks chart, it touched this simple moving average and then went down right away. Ladies and gentlemen, this might be a consolidation period being formed right now. Lives, fortunes, mental health has been lost in consolidation period. And as a scalper, what you hope to do is to figure out the confines of the consolidation period. It does look like it's eventually going to shoot up. Let's wait. look at this. Okay, is this the brick you were looking for? If you look at the 400 chart, see this? This is what we might be looking for. I mean, this is what we might be looking for. That being said, I have to be ready in case it doesn't work out. Let's see if there are other. Ooh, it's not pushing. Is there an area here? Is it gonna break the previous high? See this low here? We don't want it to cross back. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. So from here, 90, 92, hopefully it gives me good. Hopefully it gets here, right? Hopefully it gives you 3 points. I'm always aiming for 3 points, but then see this? There is a previous support and resistance line here. The real question is it gonna cross it to go up, or is it just simply gonna return? I do hope it does. Go up. But the market does what it does. And for mental health, it's good to just see it as such. This is not a bad trade. This is a fantastic trade. I think this is a fantastic trade, but it may not work because the market does what it does. So it touched the previous high again, but did not cross it. Touched the previous high, but did not cross it. See here, this is low. Is it going to cross the previous high? So I'm putting my exit here. Nice. So this is. Ooh, sometimes the reversals are so brutal. Okay. Is there enough momentum to push forth? Is there enough momentum? Is there enough momentum? Let's see. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts to break this. It's not doing it. Is that enough? Is it gonna gather momentum? Putting this line here. Okay. So from here, let's see if it'll give us at least 2 points. 95 to 97. 97 would be here. Let's see. Now this becomes, ooh, okay. Wow, look at that reversal. Man, that is rough. Okay. If it crosses this, wow. If it doesn't, wow, that is rough. Okay. This is the end of the line. Unfortunate. This is a rough reversal. 3 points. But what else can we do? Tough reversal. It might bounce back, but what can you do, right? Let's see. Now the real question is, do we have enough for another trade here? It's 8:43. Let's see. When was that trade? When could we say that this trade became valid? Let's say, it was somewhere here. Somewhere here. What time was that? 8:38. And then the trade ended around 8:42. 4 points. Is it gonna cross the previous low? There's a lot of, it's going to be 8:45, which is past my first session. My first session is 15 minutes. You know what? Let's close this. I think this was an okay session. We had one loss. Hopefully, or win covered it. But today may not be one of those glorious trades. But you should always focus on what you did wrong. What could I have done better? Yes, I could have exited faster. Yeah, I could have exited faster and saved. If I get a confirmation, I'll get into this. Confirmation. 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 Information 45. Okay. Okay, we're done. Thank you very much for being here with me today. Remember, all you need is just one good trade. Even if you've had 1 or 2 losses, if you manage those losses well, your one good trade might cover. And stay steadfast. Don't worry about it. When you trade for a long time, you discover that there are good days and bad days. And you learn to manage them, and you learn to manage your mental rhythm. There is a certain level of distance you need in order to trade logically, rationally, and also a certain level of hope and faith in yourself and in your strategy. Because if your strategy is a 50-50 percentage win-loss ratio, that's amazing. Sometimes you may have a 30% win ratio, but your 30% covers the 70% of losses if you limit your losses to an exact amount where almost the mathematics will work for themselves. Again, have a wonderful day and see you soon.